3D dashboards play a key role in the functionality of the 3D Experience platform. To create a new dashboard, simply navigate to the dashboard list and select the plus symbol located next to the search bar. Decide if you'll be starting with an empty dashboard or a copy of an existing one and enter a name and description. The newly created dashboard will appear on your dashboard list as we can see here. If you've selected an empty dashboard, it will default with a blank new tab. Easily rename the tab to your liking by selecting the text. Add additional tabs by selecting the plus symbol to the right of your last tab. Continue building up your dashboard by adding additional tabs. Selecting the down arrow of an active tab provides access to various management tools like this alternate method for renaming a tab. Rearrange tabs to finalize your layout by simply dragging them into position. Once everything's set, we're ready to start populating the tabs with our applications. To do so, simply navigate into your compass and drag the desired apps into each tab. The apps are housed within widgets that can be repositioned or replaced at any point in time. And just like that, you've created your own unique 3D dashboard. Join us again next time for a look at how to manage, customize, and share your 3D dashboard with